Hello guys, today let's solve Leetcode. Question number 875, Koko eating bananas. This is a famous and easy question and let's see how to solve it today. So, they are giving us an array called as piles and each element in it represents the number of bananas in each pile, and they're also giving us an element h which represents the number of hours before the guard returns. The output number you see here represents the eating speed of the monkey such that it eats the bananas as slowly as possible to enjoy them while also being fast enough to complete all the piles before the guards return. And in the question, they also wrote that if a pile has less than k bananas, she eats all of them instead and will not eat any more bananas during this hour. So now with an example, let's see how to solve this. So this is the test case 1 and we have to pick an eating speed such that our constraint satisfies. So what could be the range of the eating speed vary from? Let's see that. The monkey can either eat 1 banana per hour or she can eat the maximum element in the array, which is 11 for the test case 1. But trying out every single element in the given range is not really possible because in the given constraints they gave that the pile I at the worst case can contain 10 to the power of 9, and after finding the eating speed we also have to iterate through the array to find out how many hours it took to eat the array, and the pile's length is 10 to the power of 4, so the time complexity would be 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 4, which is 10 to the power of 13, and you would surely TLE. To smartly found out the best number, we'll use binary search, obviously. So that's the reason we'll use binary search for this question. So now let's see how to write the code for this. We have L and R, which represent the left side and the right side. This is how I personally write. You can take whatever variables you want. Left being 1 and right being the maximum element in the piles. We just use a normal binary search. We take the mid, we iterate through our array and count how many hours it takes to, finish eating all the bananas. If the count is greater than h, that means the guards return and we have to pick a faster eating rate. So we increment the L to mid plus 1, or else we decrement R to mid. In regular binary search, we write mid minus 1 because we are sure that mid is not the element we are looking for. But here we are writing mid because when count is less than or equal to in the else part, which means that there is a possibility of mid being our answer and also other variable, and at the end you return L or R because at the end both of the elements would point to the same variable. And yeah, this is how we solve this question. See you tomorrow.